As we welcome the summer, it is essential to stay hydrated and also maintain good health. During this season, people are tempted to reach out for cooling, store-bought beverages that are usually filled with refined sugar and preservatives. So this summer, let us refresh and replenish our body with some healthy summer drinks to cool our body and keep us fit and healthy. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here are 5 healthy summer drinks that you can enjoy with your family and friends. So first I will be showing the recipe for green gram juice. So here I have taken around half cup of green gram, also known as mung beans or moong beans. So you need to dry roast these beans on low flame until it changes the color and has roasted aroma. Keep an eye while roasting and make sure the flame or heat is on low. So once you smell the roasted aroma, rinse the beans well and drain out the water. Transfer the beans into a blender. Here I have taken around 1/3 cup of grated coconut, adding around 1/4 cup of powdered jaggery. If you like to have a sweeter juice, you can add more. Half teaspoon of salt. Next I am adding around half cup of water to grind the ingredients into smooth paste. So you need to grind these ingredients until you get a smooth paste. Add in around 3 to 4 cups of water. Mix it well so that the ground paste combines well with the water. Green grams are packed with healthy nutrients like protein, minerals and vitamins, and this drink reduces body heat and rejuvenates us in summer. So it's a very healthy summer drink. So you can prepare this drink and place it in the refrigerator for a while, and always before serving, mix it well. Next recipe is masala lassi or buttermilk or chas. Here I have taken half cup of chilled yogurt or curd, adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, 2 to 3 mint leaves, small ginger piece and half green chili, which is totally optional. You can replace green chili with 2 to 3 peppercorns, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder or roasted and grounded cumin seeds also can be used, 1/4 teaspoon of black salt and 1/4 teaspoon of normal salt. Blend these ingredients by adding little water. So blend it into a smooth consistency. Add around half cup of water and mix it well so that it comes into a liquid consistency. Having this drink after the meal will combat acidity and improves digestion. It's a great summer drink that provides a cooling effect to the body. Next is Sattu juice. Sattu is a powder made out of roasted black channa, also known as kala channa, black chickpeas or Bengal gram. So it's a powder made out of the Bengal gram. So I've taken around 1/3 cup of sattu, adding 2 tablespoons of powdered jaggery. You can replace jaggery with coconut sugar as well. Half teaspoon of black salt, 1 to 2 teaspoons of lime or lemon juice, and around 2 cups of water. So I'm making this juice in a blender bottle. So shake the bottle to combine the ingredients well. You can also make this juice in a mixer or a blender. Adding in few mint leaves. So Sattu juice is a great energy drink that aids in weight loss, improves bowel movements, flushes out toxins and has a cooling effect. So this is my favorite after workout drink. Sesame juice. So here I have taken around 1/4 cup of sesame seeds. Roast the seeds on low flame until there is slight change in color, and also you can smell the roasted aroma. Next, in a mixer, add around 1/4 cup of grated coconut. Rinse the sesame seeds and drain out the water and add into the blender. You can even soak the sesame seeds for 30 to 60 minutes. Add in 1/4 cup of jaggery powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add around 1/4 cup of water to blend the ingredients into smooth paste. Add in around 1 to 1/4 cups of water and mix it well. Sesame seeds will give a slight nutty flavor, a slight bitterness. So if necessary, you can add more powdered jaggery. So sesame seeds are a good source of fiber. When used with coconut and jaggery, it has a high nutritional benefits and cools the body within. Next will be the recipe of finger millet juice or ragi juice. So here I have taken around 1/2 cup of finger millet. So in Karnataka it is known as ragi. Roast the ragi on low flame until it changes color. So make sure to keep the flame or heat on low and keep an eye while roasting. So once roasted, rinse the millets well and drain out the water. To a mixer, add around 1/2 cup of grated coconut. Add in the rinsed millets, roasted and rinsed millets. I'm adding around 1/2 cup of powdered jaggery. Add small amount of water and blend the ingredients into smooth paste. Strain the mixture using a strainer covered with cheesecloth. Here I forgot to place the strainer, so make sure use a strainer covered with a cheesecloth. Add around 2 to 3 cups of water and keep aside for around 20 to 30 minutes so that the liquid will slowly get filtered. So keep aside for around 20 to 30 minutes. So here you can see the liquid has filtered well. Add around 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Refrigerate the juice before serving and also make sure to mix well. Ragi or finger millet is considered a humble millet and an ultimate superfood. It has all the essential macronutrients and key micronutrients like vitamins and minerals. So this juice is delicious, easy to digest and has a cooling effect too. Do try and relish these healthy drinks during this summer and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.